Does IMG have what it takes to reclaim the 50 cent and potentially even retest the 70 cent levels once again? Or is this a ticker which is far too gone and you should cut your losses from and walk away from? What's up, trading friends? Today, we're discussing IMG under three different lenses: the why, the what, the where. This is a ticker which is currently up over a whopping 100%. Therefore, the first thing which we want to analyze is going to be why is it up in the first place, right? So then we can anticipate whether or not there's any longevity to this move. Is this going to be a multi-day rally, or is this not even going to last the day, right? As we're seeing right now, right? So let's get breaking down exactly what's happening to IMG and where is this ticker heading from here out. So when it comes to IMG, guys, the reason why it's running is because the company actually came out and they said that they are the first company ever to cure cancer. They found the cure to cancer. No, they did not find the cure to cancer. There's no reason. There's no news. There's nothing. There's no news. There's nothing. There's no announcement. There's no filing. There's nothing. There's nothing. There's nothing. The sticker is running because of nothing. Okay, why? So why is it running, Sam? I'll tell you guys why it's running. It's running because of this. It's Chinese, okay? It's Chinese, and it's pumping. And guess what these Chinese companies do? They pump and they dump. They pump and they dump. And you need to find out where is this company from before you go ahead and you purchase it. This is why it's so crucial, right? Where now that we figured out the why, okay, the why is nothing, right? So the why we're gonna put breaking news is bad, right? Then the what, so now we can move on to the what. And if a company is Chinese, you never buy the pump. You never ever buy the pump. Why? Because every single pump is followed by a dump. I mean, let's just take a look at the history of IMG itself. Pump dump, pump dump, pump dump, pump dump, pump dump. Do you guys see these? These are daily candles. So in a day, it opened at 37 cents. It went all the way to upwards of $3.40, and they came all the way down to $2.35. Pump, dump. And then the next day, 3 days later, it was back at 70 cents again. Pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, pump. I wonder where this will go, huh? Will it go all the way upwards of the $3 levels, or it's already dumping? Okay, it's cooked. It's done. It's game over. Pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, over and over and over again. Rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, over and over again. So for me, you know, when it comes to a ticker like this, right, you don't ever want to buy it when it's green. You don't ever want to buy it on an uptick. The only time you want to be buying this is when no one's talking about it. And the way you want to buy this is you want to be averaging into it. You want to average into it, average into it, average into it, average into it, because you know a pump is coming. I mean, look, this is exactly the playbook that we're using when it comes to MLGO, right? MLGO right now is another Chinese ticker that has been selling off, selling off, selling off. But guess what? The longer they sell off for, that means the closer to a pump we are. That's all that means. That's all that means. The more they sell off, the closer to a pump we are. That's it. Now, the way you want to enter these is you don't want to go ahead and purchase a boatload just once. No. You want to slowly average in, slowly average in, slowly average in, build up that average. So let me give you guys an example. So the stock ran from 50 bucks to 214, okay? Let's say you started averaging back in at 50 bucks. You averaged in from 50 bucks all the way down to $30. Then it goes to 300 bucks. Let's say you start averaging from $200 all the way down to $72. So your average right now is like 120. Goes to 900 bucks. It's due for another pump. Now, where's it going to pump to? I believe that MLG is going to pump to 30, right? That's what I think, the minimum of 30, okay? But when we go back to IMG, I think IMG is in a really sticky situation, right? It did do a good job holding this kind of 40 cent levels-ish, which is pretty good. However, you know, when it comes to anticipating where it's going to go from here on out, I doubt it's going to be able to break 69 cents again, okay? I don't think it's going to be able to break 69 cents. I don't think so. Now, remember, it is a Chinese ticker, so it is a loose cannon, so anything is possible, right? But on the same note, it is a Chinese ticker, so it's probably rock pulling you guys as we speak right now, right? And I think that, you know, it's one of those things, right? That it's a blessing and a curse, and you just got to know how to play these Chinese pump and dumps, right? And guess what? This company, it's in the NASDAQ. So guess what the SEC is doing? Nothing. They don't care. They don't care at all. We know what they care about. Are you trading with less than 20K? Yeah, that you are. Okay, only 3 trades per day. If you trade more than 3 times, you're going to jail. But these companies, they get to do whatever they want. It's sad. It sucks, and it's a reality. It's the reality of what's going on in today's markets. Okay, it is what it is. So with that said, my friends. Anyways, overall, I don't like IMG. Okay, the highest I see it going is going ahead and testing this 55 cent level. It's not getting above 69 cents for me. So if you see green, if you see break even on this ticker, close your position. That's what I would do. I would go ahead and I would close out my position. Okay? Again, I'm a very risk averse trader. Okay, I don't like risk like that, and that's why my win rate's about 82%. Right? I mean, this is after 500 trades later. Right? Month of August, no red days. Month of July, only 2 red days. Month of June, 1 red day. Month of May, 3 red days total. Month of April, only 0 red days rather. Month of March, 1 red day. We've been killing it. We've been absolutely crushing it on a 7-day win streak right now. Right? When it comes to closing out positions, realized gains. We've been killing it. So if you guys want to trade alongside me every single day, though, I got good news for you guys. Right now, the next 10 members that join our Discord, they get access to it for a 50% discount. It comes with a 7-day free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee, and we've been absolutely crushing it. Absolutely crushing it. Whether it's options, whether it's day trading stocks, swing trading stocks, or options, we've been killing it, man. Day in, day out, we've been kicking ass. So give it a shot, guys. The link is in the comment section and description. Someone 17%, $200 on the day. What a roller coaster! Shout out to Sean. Sean is one of the mentors in the community. He's been absolutely crushing it, man. He's been BTI. Thank you, brother. Right, $60 over here, 7K over here for Dell. Uber over here. We've been crushing it, man. Day in, day out, we've been absolutely killing it. $22,000. Now, 7-day free trial. Now, what I suggest you guys, considering we offer a 7-day free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee, and we're really the only Discord that does this, 7-day free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee, check out our Discord, okay? Check out the Discord. And look, this is all I want you guys to do, okay? I want you guys to try it for 7 days, have results like this. I always like referring to this one because it makes so much. Hi, Sam. Thank you for hard work on all the community. My 7-day free trial finished. It was great. I think you have a membership this week. 7K in 7 days. Give it a shot, okay? Give it a shot. The link is in the comment section and description. I look forward to meeting all the serious traders in there. With that said, and remember, don't give up, don't quit, because 90% of traders are unprofitable, 90% of traders just quit before they become profitable. I believe in you, believe in yourself. Thank you for watching. Your boy Sam.